Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, of course, then you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method. So if that's what you're looking for, you should follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Because we're going to be using the Instagram app, open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram at the top right here. Once you find the app, make sure we have it updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to face no problems in this process. After that, you can finally quit the store now. Open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into the account that you want to deactivate on Instagram, and then open your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner right here. And then from your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right of the screen, then tap on settings and privacy right there. Now we need to open account center, so tap on account center right there, and from all of these options just choose personal details. Now from here choose the last option, that should be account ownership and control, and then of course you're gonna tap on deactivation or deletion. And now choose the account that you want to deactivate, and then by default it will be selected on deactivate account, which is the first option right here. So if it's not, just make sure that is the one that is selected, and then tap on continue just like that. You can give them a reason here, or you can just tap on something else and tap on continue. And this is basically the last step. You need to go ahead and type in your password correctly, tap on continue, and your account will be deactivated, of course temporarily, and you can reactivate it whenever you want. Just log into your account using your username and correct password. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos, guys.